Hey, Eric Sider here, and in this video, I want to just show you the benefits of using mulch in your footpaths. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so if you haven't seen the video about when I set this garden up originally, check that out. But basically what I did is just covered this whole area with cardboard, straw mulch, some purchased compost for the beds, and then everything in straw mulch again. And now I'm doing a little reshape and finding that there's some really nice looking soil in the footpaths. So basically it's been a little over a year and the cardboard more or less is broken down. It's more or less a natural slow composting process. And so you can see how much material I was able to scoop up and put back on the beds. These are more or less pretty much all flat. There wasn't really much definition to the beds anymore, so I've been able to scrape this out and add it to here. And so this is basically the reason I always prefer using mulch or organic matter in your footpaths. Yes, you will have to replenish it probably about once a year, but you get free soil. So anything with gravel or I guess grass, if you want to keep mowing it, that's has its own advantage, but gravel I just find particularly problematic. One, you're probably going to be using weed mat down to keep the weeds from growing through, but inevitably soil just starts building up on top of the weed mat, and then you just get weeds growing in the gravel, and then if you want to rake them out, typically you end up raking and hitting the weed mat, and anytime I've used it, I never enjoy it, and that's pretty much what's happening on this whole property now. We got all these rocks everywhere, and now there's all this soil that's been built up on top of the weed mat, and it's just becoming a maintenance nightmare. Yeah, that's it. So getting ready to add some new mulch and get some fall crops going. All right, hope you enjoyed that quick little video. Just a benefit of the natural processes working to your advantage. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.